U.S. Drought Monitor, August 27, 2026. For all 50 U.S. states and Puerto Rico, the U.S. Drought Monitor showed 47.56% of the area in moderate drought or worse, compared with 44.34% last week. About 99.7 million people live in areas now in drought, compared with 93.1 million the week before. During the early part of last week, an amplified weather pattern over North America brought widespread late summer heat to the west and south-central U.S., with milder temperatures over the Corn Belt, which gradually shifted to the northeast and mid-Atlantic states. Groups of thunderstorms formed at the northern edge of the south-central U.S. heat dome, with narrow swaths of locally heavy rainfall extending across Nebraska and Missouri. Several rounds of storms also moved through the eastern Corn Belt and parts of the mid-Atlantic and southern New England. In the south, dry weather combined with excessive heat continued to promote rapid-onset drought across much of the region. Across the southeast, summer storms competed with enhanced atmospheric thirst due to the hot temperatures, which caused some degradation in areas that missed out on thunderstorm activity. Across the west, an active monsoon pattern continued to bring localized relief to parts of Arizona and New Mexico, while hot and dry conditions promoted drought expansion across eastern New Mexico and portions of the Intermountain West, Great Basin, and the Northwest. In Alaska, improved rainfall eased drought conditions over the central interior, while drier weather sparked some degradation over the southeast. In the Caribbean, a lack of storms and rain continued to promote gradual drought expansion across Puerto Rico. Drought and dryness on Hawaii remained unchanged this week, following the widespread heavy rains as a result of Hurricane Lala the previous week. The U.S. Drought Monitor is produced each Thursday through a partnership between the National Drought Mitigation Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, the USDA, NOAA, and NASA. Visit droughtmonitor.unl.edu for more. NDMC helps people everywhere reduce vulnerability to drought. Learn more about our work at drought.unl.edu.